Me, mama, moo. Me, mama, moo. My God. Chinita, chinito, chinita. Mama, me, mama, moo. Turn this up. Chop.
We're filming.
Yes, Solid I'm getting ready for the final test and video, man. Okay. Oh, this is look Fern.
You look good.
I look what?
You look good.
I look what?
Good.
You're supposed to say I look amazing.
You look amazing.
Thank you very much. How do you say box cover in Spanish?
Somebody look up box cover in Spanish.
You know, that's gonna take
Please
me.
take una on and look up box cover in Spanish for the man.
Hello, but L box. Mer. These are like what is it? Come.
It's a joke. Cubierta caja.
Cubierta.
C-U-B-I-E-R.
Well, yeah, come say I got two in
C-A.
Spanish, you know, okay? It's cool in Spanish. That's
C-U-B
C-U-B.
I-E-R
Cubir.
I-E-R
Cubier.
Ta.
Cubierta.
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 That's cover. And caja, that's box.
Cubierta.
So it'll be cubierta de caja.
Cubierta de caja.
De caja. Cover of
Cubierta.
box.
Cubierta de calla.
Caja.
Oh, caja. Cubierta
Ta.
de caja.
Ha.
Caja. Cubierta de caja. Cubierta de caja.